I am back like never leave. Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? My name is Angel Sylvia. If today is the first time you are just seeing my channel, please subscribe. If you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. This message is for our lady. This message, so when I want to talk now for our ladies. Continue. Man go marry you for house and you go dey tell your husband make you no dey take good care of im mother, and which is very bad. How you go dey tell your husband make you no take good care of his mother? You understand? So many women dey do this thing. So many women dey do this thing. Once they don marry enter the family, you come see say problem go come. They no go allow their husband dey take responsibility for a family. They no go allow their husband dey take good care of their mother-in-law, and which is very bad. The lady go dey want make the man dey only dey take good care of her own parents, but the boy parents, you no go allow your husband dey take good care of him own parents. They go dey suffer. You go dey bring problem for family, bring confusion for family. As a lady, as a good wife, as you enter family, you need to tell your husband say make you dey do for your people, for your parents. You understand? No be say you go just enter family, you go just talk say no give your mama money, no give your sisters money, no give your brothers money, this one. It is not good. It is not good. If you dey do that kind thing to your mother-in-law, what of if you born tomorrow and your children come grow, their own wife come dey maltreat you like that? How will you feel? You will feel very bad. That is why we need to be careful. If you are a lady and man marry you put for house, not say make the man no dey give your mama money, not say make the man no dey give him parents money. As far as say the man get money, the man wey you marry get money, allow him to help his brother, allow him to help his sisters, allow him to help his parents. If papa born am, why? Because as he born that your husband, so meaning your husband too go come take care of am. So you allow your husband to take care of their parents. No say because say your mother-in-law go ask your husband money, you begin dey vex. Your husband go send money go give your mother-in-law, you begin dey vex. And mostly some men say I don't know what do now, wetin dey happen to una. Your wife go tell you say money when you dey work, you as a man, money when you dey work, your wife go tell you say no give your mother money, you go chuchu agree. They use charm for una. Your mother will carry you for good 9 months, come take care of you before you come mature like this, come get your whole family. Your wife go tell you say make no take care of your mother, you go truly agree. Your mother go dey suffer. You don't even want to know. You don't even care. They go dey call you, your mother no well, you go say e no concern you, all because of your wife, which is very bad. If you are a man and you abandon your family, you abandon your parents, abandon your sister, your brother, all because of your wife, it is very bad. No allow your wife deceive you. You understand? If you have, give your parents, because they suffer follow you before you can go like this. So you need to help them too. Why you go dey give your wife parents but your own parents you no dey give? That is very bad. If you are a man, learn how to give something to your parents. Don't allow your wife deceive you. So many women, once they don't marry them, you come see, they will come begin cause confusion for family when they happy before. Once the lady just enter, confusion go full everywhere. You as the husband, you were married the lady put for house, you don't fit control your wife. Now you dey work your own money. Now your wife go say dey control you, how you wan say spend your own money, how you wan say give your mother money, how you wan say give your sister money. Your sisters, they no dey go school. Your brother, they no dey go school. Your father, your mother, they dey suffer, and you get the money. But for you to help, it na problem for you, because your wife tell you say make you no help your parents, which is very bad. Men, if you be that kind of man, you need to stop. You need to stop. As far as say you get something, you get that money, small thing dey show for your side, you need to support your parents. You need to support your brothers. You need to support your sisters. No, I'm not telling you say me not help your wife family, but you still need to do for your own side. As they do for your own side, they do for your wife. No be say you just dey do for only your wife family place, while your own dey suffer. Your mother go come greet you, your wife go pursue am, say because say no fair inform una say she dey come. Why she go come? Why she no fair tell una say she dey come? And you as the man, you go dey, you no go talk anything. Your wife go dey maltreat your mother, the lady wey carry you for 9 months. Another lady go dey maltreat her, you no go talk anything. Wetin be una problem? Wetin be una problem? Una need to stop. You understand? If you be lady and you dey maltreat your mother-in-law, you need to stop. If you be lady and you no dey allow your husband dey give your mother-in-law money, it is very bad. Trust me, it is very bad. Because I will not be that your husband mama, you for not know your husband. You understand? I know say some women go say some mother-in-law, they don't like me, they don't like me, this and that, they don't like me. My sisters, even though say they don't like you, see they do God own for inside. I know say some mother-in-law, some bad one day, some good one day. You understand? Now luck everybody they get for this life. I will say me I get mother-in-law for too happy, but I don't have. So if you have, you need to respect them, because now them make you marry. Now as now them make you marry that their husband. I would say not give birth to that your husband. If you not see your husband marry, so allow your husband they take good care of their parents. Allow your husband they take good care of his brothers or sisters. Don't want me say the money go finish. You understand? Don't want me say the money go finish. Make it support them. Now your brothers, now your parents, it not concern you. You understand? As far as the man say they give you something to your family, don't stop your husband not to give his own family something. It is very bad. Don't stop your husband. You understand? Because now the man, now they work the money. Even though now you and the man they work the money, as in una supposed to they give the two side. Not be say you go dey give only your family, the man go wan give your family, you no go allow the man give your family. This thing they mostly they happen. It dey happen. So many mothers they suffer and their children get money, but their wife not allow them make their children give them money. That is bad. That is bad. If now you they do that kind thing too, you go happy. So wetin you not like, no dey do am to people. You understand? You need to respect your mother-in-law. You need to respect your husband family. You understand? That is it. Even though say your mother-in-law, yes, I know say, don't get me wrong, I know say yes, your mother-in-law are very wicked, but you just need to do the one way just need to do God own. Allow your husband to be giving them something, giving them money. No say, no give your mama money, oh, blah 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 blah. But your husband dey give your old people money, but if you want give your old people money, you no go gree. And some men, make una dey use una sense. No let any lady deceive you. Your mama na your mama, your papa na your papa, your brothers are your brothers, your sisters na dem be your sisters. So if you have money, you help them. You give to your parents. If you have, you give to your wife parents. Don't allow any lady to deceive you. Don't allow your wife to deceive you. Take good care of your parents. Now they born you. Now they born you. Take care of you. That is the message I have for every one of you. God not go shame us.